How to fix Hive receiver flashing amber. What does it mean? So it's usually pretty similar to all of the models, but just in case, we can take a look at some specific ones. So the first one we have over here is the nano tree. So in our case, we're looking for problems on a flashing amber, so it's right here. The flashing amber means that the hub is in pairing mode and is searching for a Hive device to pair with. So with that, you can use it as a basis to pretty much solve your problem. You're gonna need to make sure your other Hive device is ready to pair with your nano tree. The solid amber is pretty different. The hub is idle and needs to pair with a device. So pretty similar actually, but it's just idle. Another one is a Nano 2 or 2.5. So let's take a look at the flashing amber. Again, it's still quite similar to the Nano tree. So at this point, we have a pattern to follow up with. So the flashing amber means that the hub is in pairing mode and is searching for a Hive device to pair with. But there's another one over here that says flashing red or amber. So the hub is trying to recover from a failed connection. So we have two things you can take a look at. The pairing mode. So make sure your other Hive device is ready to pair. And this one, make sure your connection between the two devices is stable. And finally, we have another example, which is the Hub 360. We have another one, which is double flashing amber. So this one pretty much means the hub is in pairing mode and it's searching for Hive devices. So as you can see, the reason on why your device or your Hive is flashing amber is because it's looking for another device, more specifically another Hive device. So make sure both devices is ready to pair. You don't have to put it far from each other. Make sure they're close to each other. The connection is pretty stable. You can go ahead and connect them between apps to help you with the process, but those are a few reasons or a few things you can put in mind if you're having trouble with the flashing amber with your Hive devices. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.